Hello, bonjour, hello, привет, namaste. Are you looking for support with your child's school or college curriculum? Or maybe you're a working professional aiming to enhance your career, explore job opportunities abroad, or switch industries? Perhaps you're interested in learning a new language, like French, German, Spanish, Arabic, or even English? We've got you covered. At ABHISHEK Coaching, we offer a wide variety of courses designed to meet your needs, whether it's extracurricular activities for your child or career-boosting classes for you. Our expert instructors from around the world deliver interactive and engaging online lessons that fit seamlessly into your busy schedule. No matter where you are, you can access these high-quality classes at times that work best for you. Each session is designed to be enjoyable and will help you grow, whether for academic, professional, or personal development. Feel free to call, WhatsApp, or visit our website at www.abhishekcoaching.com to learn more. And don't forget to enroll today.